So this has been charging for about 25-30 minutes now. And at first these lights were blinking 1, 2, 3 and they're solid now. But the entire time, none of these lights came on. And this one should be indicating charging. Now I see the flashing. I don't know if that means it's full or not. This is the indicator saying it's full. This one says it's over temperature and just says there's a charging default. Yet the manual says that this is a diagnostic charger. The charger LED lights will illuminate in specific order to communicate the current battery status. They are as follows, and it goes through that thing. So I should be getting a solid green or a blinking green here or here, but I'm not getting any lighting at all along this side here. A sound just went off, which may mean that it's fully charged, and the light stopped blinking. So I'm assuming that's fully charged, but still there's no light indicating here that it's fully charged. So this charging stand, this diagnostic charging stand, diagnostic charger, is not performing in the manner in which the manual states. However, it appears that the battery may be fully charged. I'm not sure if that's an issue, but I would assume that it could be an issue, because if it doesn't indicate this one where it's over temperature, or this one where there's a default, if none of this panel is working, then I have no idea if those things are actually occurring.
I did make the mistake of spraying underneath here, but I don't think I did. I damaged it. Even though you can see the windings, it's still, even though I was kind of shocked to see a motor that was open somewhat. I don't know if you can't really see, but you can see the magnets. You can see the winders. I'm sure everything's sealed in there anyway, but I was just still kind of like, wow. I would have never sprayed water underneath here had I known, you know, the motor is open like this. The motor's strong. It's stronger than a gas-powered motor. I would periodically check this, because this is pulling air through here, through the top and over the motor. You know, pull your blade off or inspect that. You can clean this with a dry, stiff brush. Blow it out with a leaf blower. Like I said, I don't think, if it's open like this, I don't think it's designed in such a way that a few drops of water or whatever would harm it. So I wouldn't bore you too much about you cleaning with a brush and stuff getting down in there, because you can put it up on something, blow it with a blower, and get, you know, whatever you knock loose. But this had some junk in it, so you don't want to overheat the motor on these electric things, because, you know, wires will start melting and stuff like that. This motor's way stronger than the Echo 58 volt. I'm impressed. I was blown away by the power. So yeah, it's a good mower. It's worth the money.
All right, I'll show you how to run this battery operated Greenworks Pro. Simple of a press the button here, and you pull back on the handle. Push.
big fan of the Greenworks, again, 80 volt battery lawnmower. And this is not self-propelled because I don't have a lot of lawn to do, but look how simple this is. This is the battery. In there, that's it. No gas, no nothing. You charge the battery, and that is it. It's insanely easy to set the length, not going around the different wheelbases, just one. You click it, and you're ready to go. And to start it, it's as simple as this. You push the button and pull the wheel back. And that's it. And I'm mowing. You hear the noise, which is almost nothing. And this volt will take care of my entire lawn in one charge. And you just let go and it powers off. An amazing tool and another fantastic invention from my good friends at Greenworks.
Okay, great. Start the gasoline one. Go ahead. Anytime you're ready.